Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Salam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hello, friend. Welcome to our group meeting. This time we will discuss an article entitled Exploring the Effect of a Short-Term Nature-Based Preschool Experience in Mindset Method Investigation. And this article from by writer Stephen Shokin, Sophia Di Agostino, Josie Dijkstra, Cameron Fine, and Abhay Schwen. And this article from Journal of Outdoor and Environmental Education in years 225. And in here we will a table of content that is 1. Introduce and abstract, objective, methodology, mind finding, conclusion, and reflection. So, before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Alianova Azahra and my student ID is 135. In here, I am is moderator and presenter, and my colleagues is.
My name is Indah Aprilia. My student ID is 191 and I'm here is as a presenter.
My name is Alisa Fiananda and my student ID number is 222. I will be the presenter.
Okay, next. In this slide, we'll explain for my friend. Okay, let's go.
Slide abstract summary. This study discusses another basic preschool program constituting the summer. The program aims to improve access to early children education and support children development through environment-based learning. The findings show that the program improves children's school emotional and academic development. Children become more confident, independent, and ready for school. However, there is no significant check in children connect to nature. Overall, the program helps children be more ready for formal education, and although further research is still needed. Next.
Next.
Research objective. This study aims to examine the effects of a short-term nature-based preschool program on early children development, first focus on social emotional skill, academic readiness, and children connect to nature. It is significant because it improves understanding of nature-based education and support children ready for formal schooling and overall development. Next.
Next, I will explain about methodology. This study used a convergent mixed method design that combines quantitative and qualitative data to provide a clear and deeper understanding of the result. The participants include 69 children aged 4 and 5-year-old, and 15 caregivers with an average age of 35 2.2 years. Quantitative data were collected to measure children's social, emotional, and academic development as well as their relationship with nature, while qualitative data were used to understand caregiver perspective. The study used three instruments and data were collected at a different time and from different groups. For analysis, SPSS version 27 was used, with the Wilcoxon-Rank test applied because the data were not normally distributed and to compare pre and post results. Caregiver data were grouped into two categories, nature-related habit and children development, and analysis using the descriptive statistic based on life scale responded. Next. The next will key finding. Number one is social emotional result. The results show that children experience positive growth that was statistically significant in all social emotional area tests, except for balance of need. The qualitative data provide deeper insight into children's social emotional development, as one of the main themes that emerged was called positive child outcomes, which was closely related to social emotional growth in many cases. The findings suggest that short-term intervention may be a suitable option for children who are unable to attend full-day programs. The next is the academic result. Based on DeepL's data report by kindergarten in the fall after summer program, show that 57.1% of children were at or above the benchmark level, and 19.1% were close to the benchmark. However, the data has limited usefulness because it was collected only after the program and without a comparison group. So, it is difficult to link these results directly to the nature-based program. Despite this, caregivers report improvement in the children's academic readiness. They also mentioned that the program encouraged positive learning activities at home, such as reading more and doing nature-related workbook texts. Next. The next will be the relationship with nature. The researcher in this study suggests that the improvement social emotional outcome may be partly influenced by the nature-based component of the program. According to MC3 et al., outdoor environment provide emotional space that can support children's social and emotional development. The data show that the post-intervention score slightly increased, although the changes were not significant. Feedback from caregivers also indicate that children enjoy the program and outdoor activities. Overall, children show greatest interest in nature and talk more about science at home. And the last one will be routine or emergency funding. The caregiver emphasized that routine help children stay social engaged and emotional stable. The routine during the summer program also improved comfort for both children and caregiver as they prepare for start kindergarten. Previous research showed that routine, especially with the family, can support social emotional health. In this study, caregivers observed clear academic and social emotional growth in their children, leading them to feel that their children and family were ready for formal schooling. Next. The next I will explain about limitation. In this research, we have a three limitation. The first one is the findings are based on a small group of preschool children in a nature-based summer program in the Midwest USA. There was no control or comparison group, so other unknown factors may have influenced the result. The second one is the study relied on the caregiver's perspective and did not include the view from other stakeholders such as educators. It also did not consider cultural difference beyond the dominant culture. And the third one, or the last one, is There may be selection bias, as the many children already show higher interest in nature at the beginning of the program, possibly because families who join were already more connected to nature.
Okay, and now we arrive at the conclusion slide where we can see that this study presents a preschool learning program for early childhood in the U.S. region during the summer for 4 weeks. The learning provided to children is nature-based, so that it uses environmental stimulus that are around the child. This study not only involves children but also caregivers who also feel in the impact of this preschool program. This program has an impact on several aspects of children's development, including one social-emotional aspect with change in independent attitudes, obeying rules or discipline, self-confidence, at B. Cognitive or academic aspect that are seen from children, curiosity about the surrounding nature after this program. So children who were initially not interested in the surrounding nature become more interested and wanted to explore in nature after this program. And this study is also development is variable from environmental factor and ecosystem around the child. Therefore, this research certainly has the potential to have an impact on children development. How, however, the research found shortcomings in the structure of this research, including the lack of the program based in age, child, cultural background, and focus on caregiver opinion without considering the opinions of the program educator. Despite this shortcoming, it can be said that the research from this program had an impact on respondents. And a slight personal reflection, we believe this research has unique value and appeal to the community. This is because it can reach low-income communities and provides preschool education for their children. Furthermore, the developmental aspect it can develop are high, highly impactful and beneficial for both caregiver and the children themselves in their daily life. However, the duration of the 4 week preschool program needs to be extended so that children can better understand the material before entering the real school environment. Okay, right. So that concludes our presentation of the article exploring the effect of a short-term nature-based preschool experience. We hope it's helpful and we apologize for errors. So, see you later and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye bye.